Here we are at Stanpit Marsh. Lots of flies about, unfortunately. Mozzies. People on boats. In the distance, that's the Isle of Wight. All the beach huts is at Hengistbury Head. Opposite that is Muddyford, which is there. It's a beautiful day. There's the Christchurch Priory and someone coming through on his boat. There's a boat that runs down all the way from Christchurch Quay right the way through, and there's the boat coming now. It's quite a biggish boat. Stops off at Hengistbury Head, so if you want to come down to Hengistbury Head, why not come by boat? The entrance to the sea is behind me, and that's the entrance there going up through all the way to Christchurch Quay. Christchurch Priory. There you have the boat coming. It's a long boat. Not many on there today. Go all the way up the river to Tupton Tea Gardens in Southport. That's the sailing club, and there's Hengistbury Head. Thanks for watching. Continuing the journey around Stanpit Marsh. That's the bench where I have my lunch. In loving memory of Edie Lewis, who was missed by many loving friends and family, 1946 to 2010. Must have been our favourite spot, and I can certainly see why. Christchurch Priory, Christchurch Quay, there's some boats coming up the river, some sailboats. See the water tower in the distance, the brown building straight in front. Looks more like a church than a water tower. And that's the golf course. And there's the sports centre over there, never far away from built up areas. Well, onwards and upwards, on we go. Catch you in a bit. Another part of my walk. Nature reserve, right near the river. How cool is that? The boat yard over there. Goes all the way around. And that's the main road that leads to Christchurch over there. Nice to hear all the birds singing. This is a first for me walking over here. I've never been here before. Dove, Rebel, all names of boats. And there's Mr. Swan. Look at that, all fast asleep. I have to be very careful when I go past them. I don't think they're going to like me coming by. Having an afternoon snooze. Thanks for watching. Some swans. Sun's gone in a bit now. Very tranquil and relaxing. Even the horses have come out though. Just over there, you can't see it, I don't think, but it's an oyster catcher. It's quite happy over there. There's the marsh, you can't walk on that, she'll sink. been a wonderful day. Seeing all these birds. Absolutely beautiful. Can't fault the weather at all. The oyster catcher's gone. I think I'll do another trip round and it'll be time to pack up. I've just spotted another one, so I shall get my binoculars out. Okay, catch you in a bit. Having a good old munch away on the grass. Quite a few out today. Look at that black beauty over there. Beautiful horse. Oh, there's a herring gull. Grey herring rather. Can't see him, I don't think. Nice tall bird. One flew past me this morning. Literally right in front of me. Like a stork. He's wading through, he's obviously looking for fish. They've got a bad reputation that garden ponds, they'll fly in if you don't net your pond and they will eat your fish. But this is their natural habitat. I've clocked about 3 of them today, that's my 4th one. Shame I haven't got zoom on it. He's just dead still looking at me. Boat coming up. Must have been fishing. They're swamping the boat, look. Loads of them. Must have been fishing somewhere. There's Mr. Herring, grey herring. Distance. The bridge where the horse is on, that is a Bailey bridge. They were made and constructed in World War I and World War II, and that's a fine example of a Bailey bridge. They were made in Christchurch. Close to him. Hello, mate. You having a good munch? Hello. Oh, look at all that grass. There's mud. He's chomping us on the grass under the bridge. He's a beauty, isn't he? It's wonder they don't sink. It's all marsh. It's a shame I haven't got smelly vision. Doesn't smell too good here. Eaglet. Just walking through there, the white bird. There he goes. Swan coming down there, look. Horsey on the bridge. Hello, mate. You had a nice time? Hey? Oh, you look sad. There's the bridge. Excellent construction. There he goes. No food. When a swan sees a human, he thinks he's got bread. He's going to go under the bridge. Oh, he's having a little feed. Off he goes. Well, he hasn't come out, so he must be still under the bridge. Okay, catch you in a bit. And there's the bridge, that's where I just walked from. And I've just spotted something very unusual. It's a boat. I don't know where it's come from. It looks like one of those boats that you pay to actually float around with a motor, but anyway, when the tide comes in, it'll be on its travels, no doubt. There's another part, Muddyford over there. There's the boat in the distance on its way back to town. A few more people on this time, I think. Sun's coming out again there. I don't think I'll pick it up from here, but over there there's loads of swans. You'll probably just see little bits of white.